move to the far side to make room for all of our passengers. If you have small children in your party, for their safety, please place them toward the center of the car seat and not on the outside edges. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Enjoy your ride aboard the Busch Gardens Railway.
Please listen to the following safety announcements before we begin our journey. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated, keeping your head, hands, arms, and legs inside the train at all times. For those of you with small children, for their safety, we ask that you place them towards the center of the car seat and not on the outside edges. All aboard as we make our way to Vesta Station. Hey kids! Can you tell me who's red and furry and loves to giggle?
My mom?
Elmo! If you look over to your left, you can see the Sesame Street Forest of Fun, where you can meet Elmo and his Sesame Street friends, and enjoy family-friendly rides and play areas. Mom and Dad, I'm going to give you a special tip. Busch Gardens has tons of attractions, dining, and entertainment perfect for kids ages 9 and under, and it's super easy to find them. Just look for the Kidsiderate logo throughout the park and on the map to point you in just the right direction for your little ones. For the thrill seekers in the family, check out Apollo's Chariot in Festa, Italia. Born of myth and imagination, Apollo's Chariot soared high up on the list of favorite coasters when it debuted and hasn't come down since. From mind-bending 4G climbs to the weightless wonder of floating air time, you'll see what has kept coaster enthusiasts coming back for more year after year. As we approach Vesta Station, please listen to the following safety announcement. Please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. You may then exit to your left and left-hand side only. If you would like to continue on to Caribou Station in New France, please remain on board and slide all the way to your right to allow room for boarding guests. Thank you for riding and have an excellent day at Busch Gardens.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Vesta Station. Just as a general reminder to remain seated until you hear the interval of the train's whistle, signifying a safe and complete stop. Wait for the whistle. Here's the whistle. Have a great day here at Busch Gardens.
Buongiorno and welcome aboard. Please listen to the following safety announcements before we begin our journey. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated, keeping your head, hands, arms, and legs inside the train at all times. For those of you with small children, for their safety, we ask that you place them towards the center of the car seat and not on the outside edges as we make our way to Caribou Station. Hold on to your little ones as we begin our path across the 400-foot Griffin River trestle. Traveling 90 feet above the water, this structure is one of the two long-span trestles found along the Busch Gardens Railway system. As we cross the trestle, please keep your hands, arms, and loved ones inside the train cars. Celebrate Oktoberfest year-round at Busch Gardens. Grab a pretzel and beer at Loch Ness Monster. Test your skills with some games and relax in the perfect Bavarian beer garden. Or journey deep into the Black Forest on Revolton, a multi-launch indoor-outdoor roller coaster with a daring 88-foot plunge towards the Rhine River that will leave you breathless. If you look toward the right, you will find Alpenfest, one of the tallest, fastest, most insane coasters in the world. After climbing to an alpine-high 195 feet, riders are hurtled through 6 staggering inversions at speeds up to 67 miles per hour. Consistently voted one of the top 10 steel coasters in the world, it's the spirit of the Alpengeist that will haunt you long after your family is released from its power.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we just almost approaching Caribou Station in New France. If you're getting off at this location, please wait for the train to come to a complete stop. And once you reach the platform and sets the brake, you will hear a whistle. Once you hear that whistle, you can depart from the right side only. For the safety of everyone in your road, please wait for that whistle.
As we approach Caribou Station, please listen to the following safety announcements. Please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. You may then exit to your right and right-hand side only. If you would like to continue on to Tweedside Station in Scotland or Festa Station in Festa Italia, please remain on board and slide all the way to your left to allow room for boarding guests. Thank you for riding and have an excellent day at Busch Gardens.
Once again, for your safety, please wait for the whistle. This is Caribou in New France. Next stop will be Tweedside in Scotland, which would be near the front of the car.
Did you know that the Griffin is named after a mythical beast with the head of an eagle and the body of a lion? The Griffin is a fascinating creature, known for the strength from its lion's core and the speed of an eagle. Griffin lives up to its name, reaching speeds faster than 70 miles per hour as it dives 90 degrees for 205 feet straight down before speeding directly into a 146-foot Immelman loop, one of the tallest roller coaster inversions in the world.
That was doing it.
Smooth, very smooth.
Please keep going. Just have to transfer on right, please.
Yep, I pointed, I was like, that's a pretty fun ride. It's basically a big swing. It picks you up.
We are now approaching the Loch Ness trestle. Hold on to your little ones as we cross over the valley.
So you got two of them.
Do you see that coaster to the right with the yellow steel track? That's the Loch Ness Monster. The Loch Ness Monster was awakened more than 30 years ago, right here at Busch Gardens. This interlocking, double-looping coaster stretches a monstrous 13 stories tall before racing those who challenge it down a 114-foot drop with speeds up to 60 miles per hour.
The Loch Ness Monster is scary.
As we approach Tweedside Station, please listen to the following safety announcements. Please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. You may then exit to your left and left-hand side only. If you would like to continue on to Festa Station in Festa Italia or to Caribou Station in New France, please remain on board and slide all the way to your right to allow room for boarding guests. Thank you for riding.
You're on the fleet side.
Alright, we'll stay on.